Hello and welcome. My name is Kevin Johnson with One Blue Real Estate School, and welcome to another episode of This versus That. Today we're going to talk about voluntary versus involuntary liens. Now, a voluntary lien is placed on the property with the full knowledge and consent of the owner. So the owner has done something to allow this lien to appear on the property. Some examples would include a mortgage lien. When you get financing to purchase the home, you are giving the bank the mortgage lien, giving them permission to take the home if you don't pay it. The same applies with a vendor's lien. Now remember, a vendor, vendee, the vendor is the seller, the vendee is a buyer. So a vendor's lien is created when a seller is financing the property. Now from an involuntary lien, this is placed on the property regardless of whether or not the owner wishes that lien to be placed on the property. So something is happening to kind of force the hand. Now, an involuntary lien example would include judgment liens. So if someone goes to court, they sue you, they win, well, the court can order a lien to be placed on the property. Another example is a tax lien. So if you don't pay your taxes, taxes can get placed on there. And constructions or mechanics liens. So these are liens when you have a swimming pool installed, for example, or maybe a new roof placed on the property. The contractor can go down and get a contractor's or mechanics lien placed on the property, even without your consent. So these are the two examples, voluntary versus involuntary liens. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget, you can check out more This versus That videos on our Facebook and YouTube channel. And if you need help studying for the exam, check out our website, onebluerealestateschool.com. We have study resources that are available, and also our on-demand exam prep course, which features over 200 videos, over 500 practice questions, flashcards, everything you can need to pass the state exam. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure, make it a great day.